Hi guys, on Flutter, how we can get the transaction ID of purchase made on iOS devices like iPhone, iPad. So here we complete the transaction. We got a couple of methods. All we need to take is the transaction ID. When you get the receipt data like this, that means your purchase is success. So all you have to do, you have to go ahead and create a new if statement. Here this one is wrong. I'm going to delete it. You have to go ahead and create a new if statement. Okay, now since you got the purchase details here, this purchase details one name purchase, you are going to cast it as AppStorePurchaseDetails. Here AppStorePurchaseDetails. Now then, in the if statement, you can go ahead and say transaction ID for transaction ID is equals to purchase.sk payment transaction identifier. Okay, by this way you can get the transaction ID. Now you will able to access this transaction ID whenever you want here in this if statement. And that is it for this video. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.